This video explains the word overhaul in 60 seconds. Ready? Let's begin. Illustrations. Meaning. Overhaul is a noun. An overhaul is a major repair, remake, renovation, or revision. For example, you can say, the school chose to overhaul its curriculum by equipping classrooms with new technology. Pronunciation.
Overhaul.
Usage.
And that democratic, friendly overhaul of election laws.
Quiz. How would you say that the engine could not run properly without a major repair? The engine required a complete overhaul to run properly. Visit accenthero.com to get free personalized feedback on pronunciation of overhaul.